Today we're going to fix a Levolor honeycomb blind, and we've got a broken continuous cord here. Levolor brand, a lot of them are pretty much the same. This mechanism here up at the top is where you need to wind that new cord through. This actually pulls out without a lot of effort. You can take this whole piece out and you can flip it upside down to get the end cap off, which I already have off. And you can see from the bottom first, you pull down on this little slotted area, slotted tang here, that's the bottom here, and you pull this down just a little bit and it'll release from the bottom of this housing here. So you can kind of see that tang, and you're going to pull the bottom of this piece here very lightly, pull it down, and this is going to snap away on an angle, and then you can undo the top hook. And you can see that just kind of clasps along the top there. And that's how you would expose where that new cord is going to fit through. To get the new cord to go into the end here, you just kind of get it started on one of these teeth here, kind of start to thread it, and then you rotate this black gear looking item here. I just took a screwdriver or something that kind of fits inside that hole there, just something to give me a little bit of a grip, and then I was able to rotate the blind. So here I've just got my Leatherman here with a thick blade screwdriver part. I stuck it in the bore, and you rotate it and just start bringing that cord around. It just unwrapped a little bit, which doesn't mean anything. The blind just dropped all the way down to the bottom. But what happens there is now I can sit there and rotate this black mechanism with this screwdriver, and it's going to pull that continuous string all the way through until I get it coming out the other end. So that's all you do. You just kind of get it started around this area, kind of use your finger to kind of hold it in place, start rotating this black gear looking item here, and it'll start pulling the continuous string along until you get all the way around to the other side, and that's how you thread it through the mechanism. This is what it looks like once you get it threaded through the mechanism. So we've got it all the way through there, in and then out on the bottom. Get this pushed right back into its space there, and then we snap the end cap on. Get the end cap in place, top first, and just get the bottom part lined up here with its slot, snap it right in, and there we now have a functioning mechanism once again for the blinds. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Get it in there, and I'll loop it through that black gear type mechanism there, and works out real well. Like I said earlier, this is real easy just to slide this whole assembly out. This whole end cap and gear assembly, if you want to call it a gear, slides right out. I've already got it partially pulled out. That'll make it easier to get the cap off and things like that. But there we got our continuous cord in and ready to go.